Maytag front load error code F25.
Hello, I'm Joel and will be glad to help you today. The F25 error is motor tachometer error. In order to help you troubleshoot that error, I will need the model number of the washer, and also you will need a ohm/volt meter for testing. If you do not have a meter and know how to use one, I highly suggest you call a service company out for that error. However, if you want to do the repair yourself and have a meter, send me the model number and I will give you the info you need to figure out the problem.
Model V300 VFQD, and yes, we have a meter and know how to use it. Thank you.
Okay, great. Give me just a few minutes to get this information together for you. Possible causes/procedure 1. Verify the shipping system, including shipping bolts, spacers and the power cord are removed. 2. Unplug washer or disconnect power. 3. Check drive motor tachometer resistance. It should be approximately 115 ohms. 4. Check wire harness connections between the drive motor and the motor control unit, MCU, and between the MCU and the central control unit, CCU. 5. Plug in washer or reconnect power. 6. Check the MCU by looking for operations of the drive motor. 7. Check the drive motor for powered rotations. 2. Ohm test the motor. Disconnect the wire connector on the motor and measure the motor windings between pins 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 1 to 3. It should measure about 6 ohms, plus or minus 5%. Also, you will want to look at your MCU board and see if you notice any burnt spots on it. The MCU is the motor control board and it's mounted in the bottom of the washer.
Okay, we'll get back with you as soon as we're done.
Okay, let me know how it goes, thanks.
How do you know which end to start with? Number 1?
The image below shows where to start. Click here for instructions.
How important is wire number 5? This wire was broke off and this is how I found it. As far as readings, it was 0 for all.
That is going to be the problem. If you can reset the wire properly, then you can replace the lower wiring harness. The replacement harness is listed below. Washer wire harness part W100044420. Click here. Please take a second to rate the answer by clicking the 5th star to the right at the top of your screen on the star rating system. You can still ask follow-up questions at no charge after you have rated the answer. Tips are not expected but will be greatly appreciated.
Hey there, thank you so much. We will let you know how everything turns out. We are gonna order that wire harness and start with that.
Okay, sounds good. Thank very much for the rating. Replacing the harness should do the trick.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.